in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Candidates for completion, school year 2023-2024. Arcayan Kian Kylie, son of Mr. Arcayan. A round of applause, please. Arcayan Tony Sr. B, son of Mr. and Mrs. Arcayan. Antopina Daniel Austin, son of Mr. and Mrs. Antopina. Cabanet Simon Sal Adrian, son of Mr. and Mrs. Cabanet. Balios Alpia, son of Mr. and Mrs. Balios. Balostre Jean Caleb L, son of Mr. and Mrs. Balostre. Dahunan Rayline D, son of Mr. and Mrs. Dahunan. Ibkay Ray Nicholas G, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ibkay. Halalon Shani Chan, son of Miss Alalon. Halalon Shalin Chin, son of Miss Alalon. Impis Julius D, son of Mr. and Mrs. Impis. Esau G. Fermine P, son of Mr. and Mrs. Esau. Laanan Ezekiel Ray, son of Mr. and Mrs. Laanan. Lozano Alcairi E, son of Mr. and Mrs. Lozano. Mr. and Mrs. Richa. Arsino Leah L.O., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arsino. Carvajal Kendra Rain R., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Carvajal. Kulango Golding Shane P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kulango. Cosme Chaika R., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Chaika. Cosme. Dapitan Kiara C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dapitan. Diapera Chinalin M., son of Mr. and Mrs. Diapera. Dopa Chasadi, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Tumpa. Habian Kylie D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Habian. We acknowledge the arrival of our Honorable Mayor Emiterio Junjo Romana Nasser Jr. A round of applause, please. Lomonho Zaini C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Lomonho. Manligro Ashley Kate Ashley V., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Manligro. Manakil Marilyn Faith C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Manakil. Mitilio Luis Jane E., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mitilio. Misal Aika Mechi, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mika. Pabilaran Ray Shin P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pabilaran. Pilongo Presley Shin P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pilongo. Lozano. Without much further ado, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a presentation on completers by Ma'am Marichel A. Mundoy, our CDW of Poblacion 3. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am and Minty Piquet, our MSWDO. I present to you the Poblacion 3 Child Development Center and NCDC candidates for completion. This is school year 2023-2024, composed of 18 boys, 18 girls, and a total of 36 completers. Ma'am, they are now ready for your confirmation.
By the power vested in me of the Municipal Social Welfare and Development, I do hereby confirm that 36 completers of Poblacion 3 Daycare Center and NCDC of this 27th day of 2024. Congratulations! Pwede na umalikod. Ulipisan sa kagamay. My utmost respect to our very supportive and our action man, our municipal mayor, engineer Emiterio Taser Roa Jr. To our municipal vice mayor, Honorable Risa Waminado Santos, ISME members, barangay officials, headed by our Honorable Barangay Chief Captain Maria Linia Castillon, our child development teachers and workers, completers, parents, visitors, from the media, kanatong tanan nga natiri, good morning. Good morning! Hello! Abi na akong natulog na. Una sa tanan, akong pasalamat sa atong buhing Diyos na makakakaho. Ngaya kitang ihatagan o manindot nga panahon o panantigo. Ang usap atong nakong pasalamat na nagyod ang amahan sa atong lungsod nga niatin karon sa atong tatlong celebration. Akong nakong pasalamat sa atong Ruan Waminal Administration sa ilang all-out support sa atong daycare services program sa atong mga kabataan. Atong nakong pagpasalamat nakadugdugo sa atong local government milk supplemental feeding. Suporta ka na sa atong local government. Ato silang bakbakan. Aside sa abis na Pilipinas na programa nga dita supplemental feeding, ang atong lungsod pinasahi ko ni gikan sa ilang paglingkod ana kitay programa nga milk supplementation program nga ang matag bata hatagan og gatas and
One TV special report.